What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today I have my littlest member of the family. What's your name?
Kylie.
Kylie? And where are you from, Kylie?
Kylie Johnson.
You are Kylie Johnson. We'll say can you say from Growing Up Garage?
Going up garage.
Yep, there we go. So we're trying to teach these kids young as well as teach your kids young. If you want to know more about that, head over to that channel, Growing Up Garage on YouTube or growingupgarage.org. But we're not here to talk about that. We're going to talk about this awesome van behind me. What kind of van is this, Kylie?
Transit.
It is a Transit. Do you love Ford Transits?
Yeah,
Why are they like your favorite van?
because I want to.
You want to? So we did do some really cool stuff to this Ford Transit, huh?
Yeah.
Yep, we put a all-wheel drive lift kit up on the front of it, some bumpers and all kinds of craziness. So we're gonna jump into that. I'm gonna have her help me show you guys all the cool things available out there for you from WeldTec Designs. So without further ado, let's go check out this Ford Transit. So not only do we install our own lift kits here at WeldTec Designs, but we install a lot of other people's products, including this really cool seat for kids that we have installed on the front of this Transit. Well, don't worry, this seat also doubles as a front bumper, which is going to be really nice. What's cool about this is a Backwoods front bumper. It also has the bull bar up on the front of it, which is going to be able to put that light bar up in there. Additionally, what is really nice about this as well is it's going to be able to house that winch on there and then give you more lighting on the front of it, because you know that you can never have enough lights on the front of your van, right? Do we like lights?
Yeah.
Yep. Is that a pretty comfy seat? You like it? I think we got to go show some other stuff though. Come on, come with me. One more thing, guys, before we leave doing this front bumper, talking about this, if you're thinking about doing a Backwoods bumper for yourself, let me give you a little bit of my tip of the day. Make sure you install your winch before you final install your bumper, because it will not go in any other way. And I'd hate for you to learn that the hard way, like, I don't know who else did, but yeah, just letting you know, a friend maybe. So install the winch first. Let's go check out the suspension. All right, so up here, we're gonna talk about wheels, tires, and we're also gonna talk about the front suspension. So in order to fit a big wheel and tire like this on there, you're going to have to do some sort of lift kit. Well, on this, we've done our lower control arm, which is going to be really nice. What's cool on this as well is now our new WeldTec Designs lower control arm also has adjustable camber control on the bottom. What's really nice about that is it's gonna give you about 1.5 degrees additional camber change or adjustment on there. So depending on the setup that you go with, you have the ability to do that. Of course, tires are expensive these days, and we don't want you wearing those things out. So another great thing is going to be that Heim in the rear pivot. That's also going to allow you a little more caster to it and not have that bushing just completely bound up all the time. The original part that we did do on this all-wheel drive arm is we did put that lower ball joint at a neutral angle. It's pretty rad. Of course, there's going to be more cool stuff to come from WeldTec Designs when it comes to these all-wheel drives, so make sure you stay tuned, because you're gonna really like what we're gonna be building next for these vans. So now let's talk about wheels and tires. That's what Kylie was excited about. Let's go. All right, so on the front of this, we also added, of course, we want to put a set of wheels and tires on this. Kylie, what kind of set of wheels are these?
Message race wheels.
They are. Can you tell them one more time, what kind of wheels are these?
Message race wheels.
You did a killer job. So Method race wheels, these are the 901s. Now keep in mind, guys, with this kit, we're running a 245/75/16 tire. This is the BFG K02. Now what's really nice about this tire is we didn't have to do any trimming in order to make this tire fit. However, me being me, of course, I came in here, did a little bit more trimming on this pinch weld in here, because I just don't want to tear up a set of tires, and you never know what they're going to be doing with it. So I'm going to call that a little added insurance on there, but really nice. Of course, there's not going to be any trimming in the front because we installed that Backwoods front bumper up there. So overall, a killer setup. I really digging this. Man, we almost need a new Transit van, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be awesome, huh? All right, we're gonna head to the back. There's a lot more to see in this video still. Let's go. All right, so in the back, keeping it really simple, guys, all we did is added our Fox shocks to the back of this and a 1-inch block and U-bolt in the rear of this. Now, granted, as the build out continues on this, maybe there will be something additional like a progressive leaf spring to come in the future. So what do you think, Kai? There's more stuff in the back. You wanna go check out another wheel?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of wheel is this?
Mrs. Race wheels.
Yes, you're killing it. Big high five. Yeah, killing it. All right, guys, we're heading to the back of this thing. All right, so on the back of this, we're gonna have the double swing out, which is gonna be really nice. These are made by Aluminess. And like I said, guys, not only do we install our own products, but we install everybody else's products as well. You wanna open the door?
Yeah.
All right, there it comes. The door's coming open. And as there's not much exciting to see in there, what you are gonna notice is how that swing opens up with a door. And that's really nice. It's all gonna completely bolt up onto the door. Really nice and clean. And I do know that sometimes it's a pain in the butt, like opening my swing and then having to get into the door. Now, it might not quite be as strong, and I don't know if I'd put a 35 on this swing, but it's a really nice setup as we do have that 245, 75, 16. All right, we're gonna test you one more time, Kai. What kind of wheel is this?
A Mrs. Race wheels.
Method race wheels. All right, yes, we love our Method race wheels here at WeldTec Designs. Very cool. We gotta shut the doors. Come on. All right. All right, guys, so this was a ton of fun. Always love making videos with my little monsters here at the shop. A lot of really cool things going on this Transit, and I'm really excited about the upcoming products that WeldTec has or has coming, and also even the simple things as the evolution of this altitude kit. I'm kind of in its version 3, I'm going to call it, with this new adjustable lower control arm, which really is a big deal. So a lot of fun. I have been designing all these parts and coming up with this craziness. And if you like this kind of stuff as well, you can do me a big favor, smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, because we really need some help from the YouTube gods lately, as yeah, just who knows what's going on. Oh, look it, we even have Kendall here. Come here, Kendall. See, I got all the kids here. This is what happens when kids are out of school and it's a holiday. You get all the kids here at work with you, you know, and we make crazy videos. So that's all I have. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Who are you?
I'm Kaden Johnson, Drying Up Garage.
Who are you?
Yeah.
No, okay. That's all we got. This is like half the Johnson family right here. So thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.